And that's the first package of phyllo pastry. That's run out. That's alright, I have more. I got extra actually, just in case. Cut off this corner too. Actually, that fucking with that towel just annoys me. I work fast enough that it won't dry out. There's my scissors. Totally gonna need a third package as well. So you know what I'm gonna do? Just because I can. That one is annoying. Just put them all down. Flatten them out a little. Let's see if I can cut through them all at the same time. Yes, I can. Perfect. Let's stop fucking around. Put this away. That little corner too. Now we can speed things up. Layer number 3 down. Brush. Put it down. Sprinkle. Sprinkly, sprinkly, sprinkly. Sprinkle some more. Let's speed run this, shall we? 4. And yes, I am counting. That's why I keep repeating it. Wait, now I lost count. 1, 2, 3, yeah, 4. 4, yep.